Today it's Axel again. You probably are maybe annoyed with my voice. Maybe you like my videos. I don't know, but have a good time watching them. So today I'm going to show you a cool app. Well, a cool app. I'd rather say probably a cool game. Well, sort of an app. Well, I can just show you right now. So it's called Artificial, and so it's a voice assistant. Really good. It's really funny sometimes just to talk to it. So you can ask it like, Bobby, bring me to YouTube. It's laggy. It lags so bad right now. Damn. I hate when apps lag. It sucks. It's like losing focus. I hate when it does that. So, other plans. I'll show you. Well, I'll show you an app called Akinator. I just downloaded the free version. So it's a fun game. Most of you probably heard about it, played it, or viewed videos of it. Well, today I'm going to show you it. The free version, not the bought one, because I didn't buy the one, because I'm a cheap guy. I'm not cheap, but yeah. Okay, no commercial, no bad commercial. Damn, switches screen. Sorry for that. It'll be like, I can't rotate. Well, that really sucks. So I'm not doing this. Oh my god, it doesn't even post. Finally. Well, I don't know really what to do, so probably show another game. So there's a game that you can buy. It's called Ski Safari Adventure Time. Sky Safari Adventure Time. You can buy it. I think it's just like $2.29 or something. Not expensive. It's actually it's way better than the actual game like Sky Safari, because it's not laggy. You don't need internet. Just royalty. It's just awesome. So basically, is there volume on that or something? That's what I'm wondering. Now you're talking. What? Oh crap! I need that guy. I know. It's weird, but it's fun.
This is so much fun, Jake.
What am I doing? Why am I even playing that game? That's what I'm wondering right now. So, what should I play and show you? Water bottle flip. That is awesome. Oh, damn. It's flipped sideways. sucks. But I wonder if the camera actually sees it like that. So it's a new camera. Never gotten before. So yeah. I don't know if you guys can see well. Well, at least I can. So basically all you have to do you just have to make it rain. Make it rain everywhere. Make it rain everywhere. Make it rain. So I have a platinum thing right there. This is a fountain that shoots out green liquid that becomes money. That's damn weird. You gotta trust that thing. Like it's like a bucket that gets filled up. And when I'll have 3,000,007 dollars, I will be able to shoot 2,000K bills. I know this video was kind of messed up, like in some ways, but yeah. I just want to see something. Ah, there it is. Make it rain! The only man that has enough money to do that would actually be Donald Trump. He could just make it rain all day. But right now the vote is in 4 or 3 days from now, and I really wonder who's gonna win. Everybody has their opinion, but yeah, we'll see who's gonna win. Let's make it rain! I think it's... Okay. Oh, I'm at 3.3 million. Let's get this number up. Boom, like a mouse. 209 like a mouse. Boom! Boom, I'm totally getting cafe. 2K. That I just swiped 2Ks. Boom. Like, look at this, bro. 2K. Man, I'm gonna get... I wish I would play this game forever if that was actually shooting out money from my screen. I would play this game all the time, man. I would be the richest man on earth. It's like, Mom, can I go buy something at the store? Yeah, do you have your money? Yes, I do. And then you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There, I got $100,000. No, so dumb. I got how much is that again? Wait, 1. That would have been $10,000. I just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, Mom. I got $100,000. I just want to buy candy with it. Just not much. Oh my God! It's beautiful. It's huge. That's just amazing. So, if I'm right, I can boost this to get more money per second. It's not dumb. Yeah, yep, I'm buying that. Tap to open. No, I hate commercial. Try that one. Tap to open. Boom. No, so, but I wish I had this auto swipe forever, but now I don't have it. I really wished I had that auto wish forever. Like, wouldn't it have been so awesome? So, just gonna boost these things up. Just boosting these up. Now you're talking. Not enough money. Let's boost this up. I still have this. My God. Like, automatically gets 1K per second. I'm so awesome. Yes. So, that is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed one of our other awesome videos. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe or give it a big thumbs up. And thanks, guys. See you next time.